Tower.
Mag-team.
Panart.
Pag may namatay 20, hindi na pabalik, no?
Hindi na babalik.
20, mark.
Kailan babalik, 20?
Nasa'yo.
Pagka fully reset na.
Pag nag-reset
yun,
lahat?
Mike.
Ay, hindi, pag nag-reset yung ano?
Everyone.
Yung mismong fight.
Ah, kala ko pag nag-reset yung towers.
Once you cross this small choke, dismount on the crown. As you find the crown on your screen, dismount on the crown.
Naka 20.
Basta lang. We'll hold this one na middle ground.
Southeast sila, dismounted.
Small choke? Sige. Everyone spread. We're looking east on the small choke. Sige, spread. Death tanks let them cross. I want one death tank sa baba. Out. Sino na sa baba? I want everyone to look out. Sige. Everyone to look out, deep south sa sigdan ng mga minilay. 5. Teka lang, may hinay helmet. Okay, death tanks hold the big stairs. We'll engage inside the fast. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, inside the pass. Okay, keep pushing in. I'm gonna drop a Jude in the middle. Okay, careful. Okay, don't cross. Back west, left tanks hold. Back west, reference, you're good there. Sige. They lost people. Hey, don't leave separate behind, Everyone looks out. Everyone engaging. Spots, everyone. Everyone looks out. Walk in, everyone walk in. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, in the crown. Okay, everyone to walk in. Brawl them. Walk in and brawl them. Cross the choke. I'm covering you. Night helmet. Sige, everyone, walk in. Careful, they still have a turn. They still have a turn. Nice one. Nice pull. I think this is a hard reset na rin.
Reset na to. Wala na sila DPS.
Hindi, dismounted pa sila eh.
Palag pa tayo.
Bumabalik sila.
Babalik
Babalik na
pre.
yung mga ano eh, yung mga patay din.
Backwest. Tayo. There's some diag.
Palit na ba ako night helmet? Pre, gago na ako dami stun.
Sige. Everyone back southwest. I want you everyone to the big stairs. Record down. Akit pa, back onte pa. Give them space. G down? Anong G down?
Wala silang healer. Wala sila.
DC ata si blood natin, ha?
Oo,
DC pre, wala siya.
Back. Sige, separate, mount up. Check mo para sa akin, thank you.
Copy. Wait lang.
Everyone come to the middle, ano tawag dito? Rune. Walang magkakap, ha?
Regroup yung dati.
Tayo na natin yung mga pre. Papatay ko kaya to.
Patay mo pre.
Engage mo.
Para tao.
Okay, malayo sila.
Back west.
Mga soldier helmet. Massive.
Kumukulit gar eh.
Hindi abot, gago.
Everyone back west. Sige. Tignan natin gagawin ng color nila. Okay, they're crossing this up.
Nasa northeast.
Hold on. Everyone walk in. Engage stairs, ha? Stairs. Okay, inside the pass na lang. Defenses muna. Okay, inside the pass. Find the crown. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inside the pass. Nice one. Now walk east. Everyone, be ready. Night helmet, pots. Everyone pots. Nice one. Okay, inside the kanilang basing. Walk down the choke. We have 10 seconds. Cooldown. I want you guys everyone to be walking down the choke. Walking down the choke. Okay, everyone, we're gonna engage inside the pass. Find the crown. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. This is big. Nice one. Build the list. Build the tara. You see mo sa build them. First stage charge. Nice one. Kill monster, kill monster, kill monster. Kill monster,
Kill monster,
kill monster,
kill monster.
kill monster.
Ayun yan.
Patayin.
Okay. Sige, I want you box out. I want everyone box out. I want everyone box out. We still hold the middle. We still hold the middle.
Tangina.
Go hard west. Go hard west. Pakitin sila ng hagdan. Sige, let's see. Let's
There's
try.
still a group ng Andapan.
Yeah, let's try. Pakitin sila ng hagdan. We got all our defensive tanks na. But out of zone ka sa akin, pero nandito ka na.
Ano?
Wala pre, wala
Some of them are on the, down the stairs.
Yun.
The fuck?
Yeah,
Go
down the stairs. They're down the stairs.
Sige. Narcos guys, I'm Narcos. I'm here in the crown. Pakita nyo. Sige. Sige. Roll that expert. Okay. Everyone spread. I want everyone spread. Take a look at their back line. Daddy ABG's in the back. The ABG's in the back. Okay, I want everyone inside the box. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Ito. Delete this. Nice one. Okay. Careful on the big stairs. Careful on the big stairs. Okay, everyone. Don't walk in. Don't walk in. Careful. They got engaged. Nag-engage mo sila, hindi diba? Careful na choke. I'm gonna... Okay, don't cast the choke. This is the other side of the choke. Melee score, if you wanna brawl, go to the small stairs. Ikot kayo sa small stairs.
Kaya,
Defensive. I think that's a fake. Okay, walk in. Everyone walk in. Pag may night helmet sila, I want everyone to in the right side. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Right side, delete this. Nice one. Okay, build the rest southeast. Defensive tank, solve that cloak.
okay.
Nice one.
May mabomba dun.
Don't let them shoot. CXB, nice one. I will go, kill that. Okay, back southwest na tayo guys. Want everyone back southwest na ulit. Back southwest, provider.
Sino kingmaker oh? Tangin na
Ang kulit
neto.
ng putang inang yan.
Patayin nyo to.
Ang kulit eh. Tayo na wala na yung blob party niya sa gitna pa rin natin.
Back southwest.
Ang inang yan. Solo engage sa buko. Sariling call si Gago.
Come to the crown, sige. Tayo lalapit.
Choke fight 20.
Sige. We'll hold this choke. Everyone spread south and north. South and north. Balik, south na lang kayo. if you're
They're
under-
inching up.
Okay, they're inching up. We're holding this choke. Don't cross the choke. Sige. We're holding this choke. That time, sige, ready to observe. I want everyone to be walking in. Head helmets ready.
Nanay helmet na.
Wala, wala sila. Walk in. Everyone walking. We're gonna engage up the stairs. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Just out the stairs. Nice one. Okay, ball them. Up left. Okay, Night. Push it. Go to the Judy. Nice one. Okay, careful and choke. They're looking. Okay, everyone, 10 seconds. You got 10 seconds. Keep rolling. Yeah, everyone. Nice one. Nice Takasaka. I think they're done. Yeah, I think they're grouping. But kill monster in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Kill monster. Patay.
Patay.
Box out. Everyone box out.
Tangina, tanda naman yung ano par kingmaker.
Neto kingmaker masakit siya kaso nag-anong hindi.
Yo, I want everyone to be holding on the crown. Spread kayo dito, guys. Sige, spread. I want to be spread out. Sige, we'll hold this. Sige, let's see. Sige na nga, box out na tayo. Everyone walks out. Don't leave your friend. Nice, don't leave your friend. Let's go to the middle again. Tayo bababa ng choke. Sige, go to the middle, then we'll go northwest side.
They're walking na 20.
Sige, go to the big stairs na lang, south. Walking to the big stairs south.
Ay, di ba?
They're on the small stairs.
Sige, I want everyone to be spread. Engage yung Mose, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Mose. Grabbing Judy in the middle. Nice one. Sige. Everyone, baba kayo sir. Okay, sir, then. Go to the northeast. Cross the choke. Go to the northeast. Ball those people in the northeast. Tawag kayo. Help your backline. Defense it on southwest. Nice hold. You got 10 seconds engage. Okay, look inside the first. You got engage. Inside the first, ha? Inside the first, in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inside the first. Okay, ball north.
Bullying to.
Get good.
I think they don't have an engage. Look at Bert, ha? Careful. Okay, walk. Cross the choke. Can I tell it? Everyone, cross the choke. Cross that. Ball the rest. Forget from the back line. We're gonna engage on the back line, ha? On your back line. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On our back line.
Mali pa firm ako. The fuck?
And finish the kills on the rest.
Si Mosen na naman.
Dahil nyo na engage.
Tayo ng panipatul. Pipitak sa atin, gago. Hindi pa ako nakapag-recipat. Bulugi talaga sila sa numbers, pre.
Lugi sila sa numbers, pre. Ewan ko. Not sure.
Practice daw yung caller nila eh.
natin. Mas malakas ko
Practice yung
yan.
caller.
Come down the
Baka naman
top. Just
blood
in the
laser
crowd.
nila, gago.
I'm here in the crowd.
Oo, kaya ko ng isa para to
Gawin na naman. Sige, ano? Sino pwede mag-cup sa atin? Ano neto naman sa nag-cup?
Nakap, gago.
Sige, we'll fight for the crowd. We'll fight for the points. Everyone find the crowd. Okay? Wala, nahod lang. I want inside the box. Looking ha. Look on the crown. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Look on the crown. Down the stairs. Nice one. Everyone. Nice. Careful crossing the choke. Right helmet. Cross the choke, everyone. Use the choke, please. Use the choke. Don't injure you. Blood is low. Nice pull. Kill those. My firewall. What I need helmet.
Di nakakatagos ng firewall yung ano. Balbo.
Oh, gusto rin ng Miss na yun.
Engage your Miss Piercer. 5, 4, 3, 2. Hindi ko na hold. Nice one.
Mga lutang ina nyo.
Walk northwest. Everyone walk northwest with me. Northwest. Backline. Ay, may tanks hold northeast side. Let's cross this small choke. Let's see. Let's try this hold this one. Subukan natin. Akit kayo dito, North.
Ayun ang...
Gago kinap din.
Nagkakap ang mga puta. Hindi, 4 na lang, pre. Wala na to.
Sige, pakap ako niyan.
Just staying on me, 20.
Step, anong... Ay, sige.
Ranking up na.
Sige. Everyone looks out. You're looking south. You see Daddy ABG. We're gonna engage east side. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. In the east side.
Pogo. Darap.
Holy shit.
Ayun lang yung engage nila, gago.
Pre, halo poll ko yan. Tangina mo.
Ayun lang ang puta. Boring, pre. Tayo yung magpipilman.
Ayoko na. Nababatrip na ako.
Ano? Tangina mo, ha? Kulit ka eh.
Ayoko na. Lagi ako sinasama sa mga mahinang nila lang eh.
Ngayon niya, guys. Tama na. Sige na,
Wala na pag...
hindi na ata ulit siya.
Nila eh. Ayoko
Gusto
na.
pa ba nila? Sure?
Oo,
Sige
narinig
na.
ko.
Ilan na sila?
Ayoko na, tinatamad na ako, gago.
Oh!
Sige, kung gusto pa naman nila, sila naman magkakal dun, magde-decide din dun sa kabila.
Sigles yung caller dun eh. Ina yung isang
Wait,
caller eh.
Kaya pala naka-aircom seals.
Oo. Nananahimik eh.
Hindi ko man si Pancho.
Hindi nasusustain.
Hindi nga kami makapatay ng clamp eh.
Gago, kahit na wala kayo na.
Hold na hold yung likod nyo eh.
Ay, napatay sila, pre.
Isa.
Ano?
Wala.
Si stun gun pa rin si Rush, pre.
Ay, dalawa.
Binagta.
Wala namang kwenta si Rush eh.
Uy. Sabi daw ng 04. Sabi daw ng 04. Sabi daw ng
Excuse me,
04.
nakakap ako ng 5 ah.
Nakain na nga lang ako dito eh.
Nakakap po ako ng 5. 50 points po ako.
Talo pa rin kayo kahit nakakap ka eh.
Mama mo, talo.
Nawala na gago.
Wait a minute. Emoji.
Sarap kumain.
Kainin mo to.
Benji, may split sa'yo,